Hey everybody, let's talk about flex joints. Flex joint is this part in the exhaust system that sort of looks like a weird catalytic converter, but it just dissipates vibration, and it's right before the catalytic converter, and it must get hot as hell because I tried to repair this one just temporarily with some exhaust repair. That lasted about a day. So I wrapped it in welding blanket. Don't wrap your exhaust in welding blanket, at least this close to the engine. So it comes down from the collector, flex joint, catalytic converter, seemingly, or muffler, I don't know. Either way, smoked like crazy. It just about like all my windows down driving in the winter time. I made a test drive. I was gonna go to work. I abandoned ship, made a big loop, came straight home, jumped out of the car. I mean, it's just smoking all over the place. Put it on your list of don't do's. Welding blanket, not quite enough for the Volkswagen. Okay, so I'm removing it. One last note. It was quiet as can be. It was like the best repair, except for that it smoked and smelled like death. All right. Peace out.